Bollywood stars seem to have been infatuated by the lure of small screens reality shows. The latest to give in to the temptation of TV shows is the dimple-cheeked IPL woman, Preity Zinta. Preity will be hosting Guinness World Records, Ab India Todega, a Desi version of the international show to be aired later this year. Preeti's wittiness and her never-say-die attitude makes her the ideal selection for bringing this exclusive show onto the mainstream platform.
I must say, it's a great pleasure for me to be hosting this show, which is a world-class show. So today at the press conference, you're going to see a record-breaking press conference, which is going to be a little hatke. This is a really, really exciting show. It's a show about ordinary people showcasing their extraordinary talent on this platform. I've been amused, I've been humbled, and I've been amazed, I've been shocked. I must say it's a very, very endearing experience for me to be here and to see all these people. It's something very new and exciting for me because it's my first foray on TV. I'd like to introduce Pankaj and Sachin. They are going to attempt a record act. Most over-the-shoulders cocktail flares in a minute. Hello. Hi. Welcome. So, what are you going to do for us today?
We're going to do a cocktail flare showcase for you all. So, we'll let you know what the cocktail flare is all about. We're going to juggle with bottles and make cocktails for you all.
That's what is exciting about hosting this show. I always get to do things first.
Very good, very good. That was awesome.
Now we have a very, very cool and interesting couple that are going to come onto stage. Richard and Patra. They are going to attempt a record on our show, which is called the most dance spins in a minute.
The show, which will start from 18th March, will also see TV actor Shabbir Ahluwalia as Preeti's co-host.
Hello, Shabbir.
Well, Preeti, हम गिनेस वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स के एजुडिकेटर को बुलाना चाहेंगे जो इस पूरे खेल में, इस पूरे रिकॉर्ड अटेम्प्ट में हमारा साथ देंगे.
International jury from Guinness will be on set to ensure that the rigorous guidelines for the show format are met.
So, and have you been having fun on our show?
I had a lot of fun, and you're fantastic hosts, both of you guys.
Thank you.
And I think the records in this show are really, well, they're very impressive because they're somehow bigger than in the other shows. You do really great outdoor stuff, which is amazing.
To show how exciting and competitive the show will be, the host calls some members of the audience on stage for record-breaking attempts.
Chris is going to explain the rules, and we are going to stand by looking glamorous.
The winner only gets the record if you can do more than 25, which is the current record. 10, 2, 1, go!
Come on! नीचे से खोल मेरे दोस्त.
Yeah, it's okay. Go. It's okay. 5, 4.
Go!
Okay, stop.
Wait.
In an interaction after the launch, Preeti and Shabbir talked about their unique association with the show.
What you saw out here was like a really impromptu, fun sneak peek of what the show is. The show is so amazing, and I'm not saying that because I'm in it. I mean it. It's just incredible to see these really simple, unassuming people come and do the most outstanding and amazing things, and then do it. And sometimes when they win it, the feeling they get saying that they want to do it for their country. And I think anything that is with your country, it just gives it a more a special flavor to it, which is a better flavor than any other flavor.
आने वाले टाइम में बहुत कुछ करने वाला हूँ. इस शो में ही काफ़ी कुछ करूँगा, करने की कोशिश करूँगा एक्चुअली. और लेकिन इस शो में करने से ज़्यादा हौसला बढ़ाऊँगा लोगों का, और कोशिश करूँगा कि इंडिया ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा रिकॉर्ड तोड़े. एंड आई लव दिस काइंड ऑफ शोज. आई लव एडवेंचर बेस्ड शोज. आई लव शोज दैट आर ऑफ द एज, something that is not run of the mill. So I like being part of shows that has a little element of danger involved.
Preeti Zinta will be coming on screen after a long time. Her die-hard fans had been missing her pretty smile all this while.
Time इसलिए लगा because बीच में 2 years तक तो मैंने कुछ nothing to do with entertainment. I was not doing anything to do with entertainment. मैं cricket पे focus कर रही थी. It was a new company, it was a new business. I was working in a startup. So I wanted to focus completely on it. So I did not want to take any movies. I did not want to take any TV. So 2011 was going to be my year of working back into entertainment. So when Colors came, it was perfect. I was like, okay, you know what? Before the IPL, anyway, I can't start a movie. I can start films only after IPL. So let me do this. And I'm so glad I did it because it's been the most fun experience for me and the longest working hours.
The show certainly promises to set great standards of talent. And with a host as vivacious as Preeti Zinta, it is only going to get better. As India gets ready to break world records, you get ready to witness the biggest show of courage and determination. Bollywood Hungama News Network.